Welcome to this short desk yoga practice to stretch out your neck, upper back, and shoulders. We're going to start sitting in a steady chair, and we'll begin immediately with some breath and movement. So let your hands fall down by your sides, turn your palms out. Take a deep breath in, circle your arms out and up. As you exhale, bend your elbows and bring your hands to the opposite shoulder or in the neck or the head if you can. Inhale, stretch your arms out and up. And exhale, bring your hands behind you. Interlace your hands together. All the fingers locked together. Lift up your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades open. Inhale. Exhale, relax. We'll do that again. Inhale, circle your arms out and up. Turn the palms forwards. Bend your elbows, bring the hands towards the nape of the neck or the upper back or the shoulders. Inhale, stretch them back up. Exhale them down around to the clasp behind you. And if the clasp is too much, hold on to the chair instead. Lift up the chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and relax. And again, please circle your arms out and up. Reach high, bend your elbows. Exhale, bring the hands to the upper back. Stretch them back up, around and into a clasp. This time, open up the chest and pause here, really focusing on that upper back, the lift in the chest, the lift in the chin. We'll relax a bit to bring the hands closer to you, if you're not holding onto your chair, that is, and slide your hands across to the right hip. Tilt your head to the right, and just move your head around, feeling into anywhere that needs to have a stretch in the left side of your neck. Good. And we'll take it over to the other side. Hands to the left hip, head to neutral, and tilt your head to the left. And just move your head around some. Relax your eyes. They can be soft, or you can close them entirely. Good, release. Bring your hands to the middle of the back or back to the chair. Circle them out. Releasing it out, up overhead, reaching extra tall this time. Hands to the upper back. Lift that head into the forearms a bit. Good, reach it back up. And around into your clasp again. And again, holding the chair or your hands, either one works. Lift up your chest. Focus on that space in the front of your body. Relax and bring your hands to your left hip and your left ear towards your left shoulder. Move your head. Maybe this time you'll tilt your head down some towards your collarbone. And you can roll it back up into center. Move your hands over to the opposite side. Tilt your head to the right. So the hands are at the right and your head is going right. And if you tilted your head down on the other side, try on this one too. And coming back to center. And back up. Good. That last little squeeze. And release. Good. Take your hands out. One more time now, clasp behind your head. So they're not going up, they're meeting behind the head. Keeping your chin neutral to the ground, you're going to press your head back into your hands and resist your hands into your head. Just press for 5. Keep that resistance. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Bring your hand, right hand to left collarbone. You might need to just dip underneath your shirt and hold all of what's between your bone and the skin in position on that right collarbone. Left collarbone, sorry. Lift your chin up. So your right hand is anchoring the skin onto the left collarbone. Chin goes up and then back and right a bit to stretch into the front of your neck. Breathe. And drop your chin down gently. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Take your left hand across to your right collarbone. Hold everything in place, skin to bone. And lift your chin up and back and left. Just feel all of the front of the neck stretch. This is really nice if you've been looking down, reading a lot, or being on your phone a lot, or even quite a lot of crafts make the front of your neck tight. Drop your chin down carefully. We'll do that one more time. Take your hands behind your head and interlace them together. Press straight back, resist the head into the hands and the hands into your head. Hold for 5. Breathe deeply, 4. And 3, 2, and 1. Release. Take your right hand across again to your left collarbone. Hold everything in place. Lift your chin up, then back and right. And carefully drop your chin down to neutral. Same thing on the other side. Slide your left hand across, hold everything in place. Lift your chin up and back and left. Nicely done, Yogi. Carefully drop your chin back down. We'll take your hands to prayer position. Lift your elbows up and bring your left elbow towards your right knee. It doesn't have to touch, or it can touch if that's possible. And come back to center. Inhale. Exhale, give it a tap across, twisting your spine. Looking over to the side of a room there. Inhale, come back to center. This last one, you reach as far as you can, and either your left forearm or your elbow rest on the thigh. Open your right arm out and up. Breathe. And coming up, take your left hand to hold onto the right knee. Turn your chest forwards. Keep the right hand up, lift it higher, and side stretch. Good. Come back up. Bring your hands to prayer position again. Same thing on the other side. You'll twist, Chest to the left, right elbow towards left knee. Anywhere close is good. Inhale, come back up. Bring it across. Tap if you can, or hover there. And back up. One more time, bring it across and either open the arm down so you can use a hand or the forearm, or rest the elbow there and open everything up. This expansive twist through the chest. Really finding that middle back tension. Good. Coming back to neutral, let your right hand rest on the left knee. Turn forwards, stretch your left hand up, and side stretch it out. Good. Come back up, please, Yogi. Release. Just roll your shoulders a couple of times. We'll stretch your hands all the way up to the ceiling. Widen your feet, relax down towards the floor. Just give your whole back a moment of rest. Chin can drop towards your chest. And you push into the feet and rise back up again, rolling your shoulders. We'll finish up with the last couple of neck stretches. Let your hands rest comfortably on your thighs. You can tilt your head over to the right. Just stretch into the left side of your neck. Take a breath. Find somewhere interesting to pause. Lift your head and look over your right shoulder. Come back to center. Tilt your head to the left. Again, you can move into places that feel stiff or tight. And you can lift your head and look to the left. Come back to center. Let's do that one more time. Tilting over to the right. Maybe find a new spot this time. Deep breath, relax your shoulders. That's it. Come on up. Look over your right shoulder for a moment, as far around to the right as you can. And back to center. Tilt your head to the left. Maybe drop your chin and see whether there's something going on near the back of your neck. Deep breath in and out. Lift your head, find neutral, look left, chin parallel to the mat, to the earth or to the floor. That's it, yogi bite to center. Hands to prayer. Take your energizing inhale, fill up your belly, fill up your chest. Hold it at the top for a moment and exhale it fully. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe for more yoga videos and meditations.